Stat Medevac has always had a good working relationship with Safran engines. They were able to create a custom-made SBH contract to meet our specific needs.
Sacramento County Sheriff's Department Air Operations Unit has been under the SBH contract since 2006. We fly the EC-120 aircraft. The Arias 2F engine is what's covered under this contract. It's covered for scheduled as well as unscheduled removals that may occur. It's there to protect our investment, and without it, we would not be able to complete the mission in the Air Operations Unit.
We picked this coverage for the predictability and the quality that's provided by Safran, our business partner. We have access to the pool on a regular basis. It's been very reliable, convenient, and happens to be a cost savings from a sparing standpoint too.
We're a remote operator and we have all this big fleet of aircraft with diverse engines in them, so we needed the stability that we could get parts and rental engines if something happened to the engine or if it went for overhaul.
The accessibility to those items is a relief in the minds of our management and our staff, because we know that if we have a problem, it's already covered.
All we do is pick up the phone, we have a rental engine coming right away. Our aircraft stay in the air while the engine is removed and sent back to Safran for repair, and again, no bill, it's already prepaid.
We know from the very beginning of our contract what's covered, how much that coverage is going to cost us. There's no surprises. And if we have an unscheduled removal of an engine, we will not have to go to the board and ask for more money. They already know what the yearly cost is, and we don't pay anything extra out of pocket for that.
Obviously, with an SBH program, the risk is transferred to the OEM.
Safran SBH provides better resale value of the helicopter. You're essentially selling a helicopter with TSO0 engines.
Well, because they use OEM products and the latest configuration standards, the value of the engine is going to be higher than if we were doing it standalone. The Safran support has been incredible.
We're happy with where Safran is going and the improvements they've made to the product and the parts availability, so just keep up the good work.
Defining the SBH in 3 words, it controls cost, it's efficient, it maintains the reliability to our standards.
Cost savings, predictability, and peace of mind.
Support, predictability, and flexibility.